Hello everyone, welcome to this session on economic model. Today we will understand what an economic model is type, function, and practical application. My name is Musyidi Albiwijaya, NPM 2541 2054. Class majoring in accounting 25. Lecture Miss Kumala Fuji SAE MA. Material Economic Model. An economic model is a theoretical framework that has a set of variable and logical or quantitative relationship to simplify the understanding of complex economic process. Economic model help predict economic behavior, analyze policy impact, and support decision making for business and government. Definition Economic model. An economic model is essentially a simplified representation or reality capture key economic relationship. It enables economy to forecast scenario, evaluate policy options, and explain economic phenomena logical. The main functions of economic model are 1. Simplifying economic reality for better comprehension. 2. Measure the impact of economic change or values. 3. Forecasting future economic activity. 4. Supporting economic planning, resource allocation, and business strategy. For example, economic model can help business plan production by estimating demand and cost to maximal profit. Type of economic model. 1. Microeconomic model focus on individual decision making by consumer, household, and frame in specific market. Example include supply and demand model, consumer choice model, and prime production model. Number 2. Macroeconomic model analyze aggregate economic variables such as GDP, inflation, unemployment, and net income. Example include the Keynesian cross ESLM model and dynamic stochastic general equilibrium DSG model. Number 3. The econometric model combine economic theory with statistical method to test hypotheses and make quantitative prediction. These include regression model, time serial model, ARIMA, and structural economy model. Number 4. Theoretical vs empirical model. Theoretical model focus on the logical relationship and abstract between economic variables. Empirical model as real-world data to validate hypotheses and estimate relationship. Number 5. vs dynamic model. Static model analyze the economy at a specific point or equilibrium. Dynamic model include the element of times to study change and trend over price. Number 6. Deterministic vs stochastic model. Deterministic model assume certainty with fixed outcomes for given input. Stochastic model include randomness and probabilities to account for uncertainty. Number 7. Other classification: general equilibrium vs partial equilibrium model, qualitative vs quantitative model, discrete vs continuous model, visual mathematic simulation based model. Example and application: practical aspects of economic model include government forecast, how tax change affect consumption and revenue, business decision pricing strategies based by analyzing demand and cost model. Economy as input-output model to study economic impact and multiplier effect of investment. Financial market employ model to speculate on trading and investment. Simple economy model example: demand and supply model. Demand curve show the quantity of goods consumer what and can buy at various price is actually slopes downward, meaning if price rises, quantitative demand decreases. Supply curve so the quantity of goods produced when and can supply at various price it actually slope upward, meaning if price rises, quantitative supply increase, equilibrium rise. The point where the demand curve met the supply curve, where the quantitative demand equal the quantitative supply at this price, the market is stable. Program economy model. Number 2. Problem of simply reality. How can economy model represent a highly complex economic system without losing important information? What are the risks if the model is too simple? Number 2. Problem of forecast accuracy. Why do economic model something fail to accurately predict economic crisis or market change? What factors affect model accuracy? Problem of assumption in model. Some economic model. Problem number 3 of assumption in model. Some economic model make ideal assumptions such as perfect market or rational behavior of agents. How do these assumptions affect the analysis result and values derived from the model? Number 4. Problem of applying microeconomy vs macroeconomy model. How do you do microeconomy and microeconomy model? Model different in values formulation. Give example of values where these two types of model make lead to different outcomes. Number 5. Problem of data limitation. How do limitation in statistical data and information affect the creation and validity of economic model? Number 6. Problem of ethic and in normative model. How do you two we determine the economic values or norm as in normative model? Are policies based on normative model always fair? Number 7, problem of rapid economic change. How do you do economic model cope with fast changing change market and technologies? Are static models still relevant today? Consolation, understanding economic model equips us to make better economic decisions and activate future economic conditions. This knowledge is essential for economists, policymakers, business leaders, and anyone interested in economy. Sources: economic model study com, EICDST, Wikipedia, Science Direct Topic. And thank you for watching. I hope this explanation helps. Bye bye.